so much water!
Water is very special during Songkran. It means washing away the old year and starting fresh. Songkran is celebrated in Thailand, a country in Southeast Asia.
Wow, another place to explore!
It's called Songkran or Thai New Year on April 13 every year.
Auntie, do they play with water all day?
No, Tucker.
Auntie, what do people do first?
In the morning, people offer food to monks to make a merit.
Wow, so many beautiful flowers!
People also visit temples and make wishes for a happy year. Then they visit their parents or grandparents to give water blessings and show respect. During Songkran, families show love and respect to elders in a special way.
Why do they do that?
It's a way to say thank you, say sorry, and ask for blessings. It brings families closer and helps everyone start the new year with kindness and love.
That's really special.
And in the afternoon, the fun begins with water celebrations.
This is the best New Year ever!
In some places, people celebrate New Year with fireworks, but in Thailand, they celebrate with water!
So Songkran is about water, kindness, and family.
That's right. Let's see what you learned.
Okay, Auntie!
What does water mean in Songkran?
To wash away the old year.
If you enjoy learning about new cultures, you can help us grow by liking or sharing this video. Sawadee Pi Mai!